Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Katie and I love making home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. If you're not part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe before you go today. 3 weeks ago, we announced that we were moving. I cannot believe it's been 3 weeks already. And you guys, thank you first of all for all the love on the news because we are super happy to share this new journey with you guys. And that's exactly what we're doing in today's video. Today I want to share with you the house hunting journey, you guys, because it's been quite the journey. But before we get into that, I want to talk about some changes that I'm making in my lifestyle, starting with a natural deodorant. If you guys have been following my healthy life changes on Instagram, then you already know that I made a few changes to my hair care products, my skincare. But today I'm sharing with you that over a week ago, I transitioned to an all natural deodorant. I have been using native deodorant for the past week and a half, and you guys, I love it. What I like about the native deodorant is that it's completely vegan, sulfate free, paraben free, and aluminum free. So I know that I'm putting good things into my body. I also love the scent. My favorite one is the coconut and vanilla and the eucalyptus and mint. You guys, the coconut and vanilla transport you automatically to like a tropical vacation. The eucalyptus and mint, it's super refreshing. And also the texture on this deodorant is very smooth. They dry quickly and there's no residue. If you guys want to join me on this natural transition, I totally recommend that you check the description box because I'm going to be linking there the native website where you guys could get all 3 deodorants for only $24. If you use my code or the link below, you will save 33% on your first order. Mind you, this deodorants, the 3 packs are $36. You're gonna get all 3 for $24. They have a great selection of scents that you guys could pick from based on your choices and your liking. Thank you so much, Native, for sponsoring this part of the video. So guys, now let's go house hunting. So guys, we're gonna start the house hunting journey with my dream home. This is the first house that I'm gonna show you. It's a newly built. I wanna call this one the dream home because it has everything I wanted on my wish list. So first we're going to take a look at the model home. This model that I'm going to show you guys was the floor plan that I chose. This is a floor plan that I like and it's called the Oasis. This house has a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, and you guys, in the model home, they didn't really hold back. It was just so stunning. So this home, it's starting at $610,000, which was way above our budget, but you guys, look at this. This is what dreams are made of.
Carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can hide what this is. Can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
Here's the same house. Of course, this is not the model. This is a house that was actually for sale. What we didn't like is that we were gonna go above budget with this one, and we didn't like the finishes that the builder picked. So in this one, we didn't have the options to pick anything because the community was at finish completion, status already. So this is the thing. We were gonna go all in with our budget, and then we would I would still want to make changes. So this is something that we need to decide on. So let's go into house number two. House number two is a one-story house, which is perfect, meaning we could grow older here. We don't have to worry about stairs. This house was priced at $539,000. Again, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. This is a total remodel home, renovated, fully renovated, I should say. And it was to my liking. So everything that they picked, I liked, except for the master bathroom. You guys are gonna see in a second. So again, this one is at a top of her budget as well, but it's fully renovated. This is nicely ready to move in. I just have to make a few little changes which are cosmetic.
Doesn't matter if we make mistakes, which I can promise that we'll do. Just hold my hand and we will be okay.
Here's the master room. It has an opening to the backyard, which is nice. It is a good, decent size, and it has plenty of closet. It has 2 closets on each side when you walk into the master bath, and they're decent size as you can see, so that's nice. I'm gonna open the other one now. See, that will be for the hobby. And this is the issue. The master bath was fully renovated, but if you see there, they left that old jacuzzi tub. That was a no-no. The jar on this one was nice. It was a nice size. It just needed to be fenced. There was no water view. Remember, I wanted to be kind of like on a lake or something, but it's doable. It's beautiful. Guys, this is house number 3. We're about to go in. This is a 1-story, 4-bedroom, 3-bath again, and I'm loving that everything was pretty much updated. All the bathrooms were renovated. The floor was new. The kitchen was also renovated. Not to my liking, but it looks great. It was in great prime condition, and it has potential to even expand this kitchen to a bigger one. This one had a huge pantry that I'm super excited about. And my favorite part of this house, I call it the dream backyard because it has pretty much everything I wanted on a backyard. You will see in a second. Things that I didn't like was the little hallway that leads to the rooms. It was 3 rooms in this one side, and I felt like it was kind of cramped, like the hallway, and I didn't like that. Jaden's room will be all the way on the opposite side of the house, so it is a split plan, so not my favorite here. But the backyard, you will see in a second, had me at hello. And here it is, my favorite part, the backyard. This is a dream come true. It had a pool, but not only the pool, it had space for you to put your outdoor furniture, green area, and wait till you see this. This little green area, it's super cool because if you go down the steps, you have all this space to do like a garden, to grow your own produce, and that's something that I've been wanting to do. And to see a house with this option, it blew me away. Like, I was like, this is the house that I want, and the price was right. I forgot to mention this house was priced at $475, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna go above the asking price. But you guys, it was nicely done, everything. I would just have to change a few things to make it cosmetic to my liking, but other than that, this was a perfect house. Number 4, guys, this is the last house I'm going to be showing you in today's video. This house is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath again, and this one I call it the Fister Upper with a view because you guys will see now in a second. Unfortunately, there's people living in this house. There's not a lot of footage. This is when you go in, you know, the main formal living space, and then I'm sharing here the kitchen and the family room, and then I'm going to take you guys all the way into the outdoors because we're not going to show upstairs just because of their privacy, you know. A good thing about this one is that the kitchen was recently done, so there's not much to do in the kitchen, so that's nice because kitchens are expensive, so that's a plus. My favorite part about this fixer-upper is the backyard. As you can see, it has great potential. What I like about it is this beautiful view and that you don't have any neighbors in the back. There's a really nice breeze here. Just imagine a pool in this area. Today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know down in the comments which house you think we picked, because in this video the house that we chose, it's in today's video. So let me know down in the comment which house you think we chose, and I will see you all on the next video.